Hi everyone, I'm Katie Hart, the channel's art maker. Please subscribe and please leave your likes. Welcome to Art Bubbles. This is Bubbles Canoes. So I got my canoes and I got my oars. I have a shimmery dark blue and I have light blue. Everything's looking cool. Looks awesome. Thank you everybody for watching. I appreciate it. Heart beats fast, there's a noise, gotta be brave, how would I ever, I'm afraid to, watching you stand alone, all of my doubts suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I would love you 1,000 years. Love you for